All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking your time to listen and learn from this channel. All right. Last time I introduced you guys to using Visual Studio Code to make a website. So today I'm going to introduce you guys to HTML, and I'm going to introduce you to 4 tags. All right, 4 main tags that you have to use when you want to put content onto your web page. Okay, so HTML is a language that you use to put content into your web page. Like last time I told you guys, you go to open folder over here. All right, for me I already have a folder created for my project. I named it our website, and then click select folder here. All right, so it's gonna open up in Visual Studio Code. As you can see now, I have it here. It's in this Explorer panel. Alright, so our website, this is the folder that I'm working in, but as you can see, it's an empty folder. We don't have anything yet, so I can close this off, the welcome page, and then I can go here on our website on new file. I can click on new file, and so we want to create our first HTML. okay, first HTML document. So like I said last time, when you want to create an HTML, you have to give it an extension of .html. All right, so you give it any name. Main, this is my name. You can give it any other name that you want. All right, for me, I'm going to say main.html, just like that, as simple as that. I want you to notice one thing. All right, let me just undo this. The .html, as you can see, this is a file. This is just a file, right? Look at this icon over here. The moment I punch in HTML, you notice this changes. All right, so Visual Studio Code recognizes this extension. All right, and then it knows that I want to write an HTML file. All right, so I have this icon over here, and then I can press enter, and then boom, my main.html file is created right here. All right, so I have these numbers right here. So currently I'm on number 1, but if I press enter, I can go number 2, enter 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so the moment I'm creating my code here, it numbers the code. Okay, so I'm on line number 1 right here. Like I said, we're going to create 4 elements. All right, 4 main elements. So the first element that we need to create today is the HTML element. An element has an opening tag and a closing tag. Okay, that's what makes it an element. All right, so if I want to create an HTML element, I need to create 2 tags, the opening tag and the closing tag. All right, so for the opening tag, I have to put this angle bracket, which is a less than sign for some, and then you write HTML. All right, and then you have to close it with the greater than sign. All right, for Visual Studio Code, auto completes for you the closing tag. All right, so I just punched in the opening tag, and then it automatically put in this closing tag. So I need to create space. I can press enter, put my cursor in between the 2 tags, and then press enter. All right, so for me to create space. All right, why am I creating space? Because this is the outside element. Okay, this is the outer element. All right, the concept is like a box, right? So the HTML tag is the outside box. It's more like the border, okay, of everything that you're going to do on your web page. So you create the HTML element first, and then everything else is going to go inside this HTML element. All right, so we have this first element, the HTML element with the opening and closing tag. All right, the first one. So element number 2 now is the head tag, opening and closing, and then we have this element. So we're gonna write head. All right, for for this Visual Studio Code, you can punch in directly head. All right, the moment it appears, you press enter, and then it auto completes for you the opening and the closing tag, and then you want to press enter, 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 enter. All right, this concept that we're using here is called nesting. Okay, to put something inside something. All right, I believe it came from, you know, eggs being put in the nest. Nesting to put something inside something. So the concept is called nesting. All right, so we can notice here the head tag is nested within the HTML tag. All right, so we shall notice that all other tags shall be nested inside this HTML tag. All right, so this is the second element that we have, the head. All right, and then within the head, we want to put the title tag, the title element rather. All right, so we can type in title, and then we press enter, and then already we have it. Okay, so within the head, so the title element is nested within the head. So the title is the title of your document. Okay, all right, so we can say my first website. As simple as that. All right, I want you to notice one thing. The content has to go in between the tags. Okay, so this is the title of my web page, so it has to go in between these tags, the title tag. All right, obviously we're looking at 4 tags today. So we have 1, the HTML tag, we have 2, the head tag, we have 3, the title tag, and then we're left with 1, which comes after the head tag here. All right, but inside the HTML tag is called the body tag. So the moment you write body, enter, and then you have your body tag. Okay, I want you to understand one thing. This my first website, this title does not show on your web page. Everything that you're going to put in this body is what's going to appear on your web page. Okay, so let me try and save this and show you guys what I'm talking about. So we have the HTML over here, opening and closing, it's an element, and then we have the head, opening and closing, and then within the head, nested, is the title here, and then just below the head but within the HTML is the body tag. All right, just like that. It's as simple as that. All right, so these are the 4 tags that we had today.